Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. From today we are starting one new series of word problems, and daily we will post one problem regularly. And first we are beginning with the linear equations in two variables. So these word problems are from linear equations in two variables. So daily one question will be there from the word problems on linear equations in two variables. So the today's question is on the screen. Susan invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B, which offers interest at the rate of 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. She received rupees 1860 as annual interest. However, had she interchanged the amount of investment in the two schemes, she would have received rupees 20 more as annual interest. How much money did she invest in each scheme? This question is from the exemplar problem. Exemplar is a book published by NCERT for the students of 10th standard for having more practice. And the questions in this book are asked are little bit difficult as compared to that are in the textbook. So I suggest you to solve all the questions from this book. This book is not costly since it is published by NCERT, so you can buy this book and solve the maximum questions from this book also. So here it is said that Susan invested the amount of money in two schemes, scheme A and scheme B. So first we will assume that let the amount invested in scheme A is rupees X, and in scheme B she invests rupees Y, and in scheme A she invests the rupees at the rate of 8%, and in scheme B she invests the rupees at the rate of 9% per annum. So the case 1 says that the interest she received is rupees 1860. So 8% of X will be the interest received from scheme A, and 9% of Y will be the interest received from scheme B, and therefore the total interest will be 1860. So we get the equation as 8% of X plus Y% of plus 9% of Y, that is equal to 1860. This is the interest received from scheme A, this is the interest received from scheme B, and the total interest is 1860. So this can be written as 8x plus 9y, which is equal to multiply by 100 to this side, so it will be 1860, and since we are multiplying by 100, put 2 zeros on it, so it will be 1,86,000 rupees. So let this be equation number 1. Now the condition 2 states that from the condition 2, case 2, we get that if this rate of interest is, if this investment is exchanged, if the investment is exchanged, then she will get 20 rupees more as the annual interest. Since the investment is interchanged, so that she will get 8% on rupees Y and 9% on rupees X, and you will get the new equation as 9x plus 8y, which is equal to, this will be, you will have to multiply by 100, this will be 9x upon 100 plus 8y upon 100, that is equal to 20 rupees more, that means 1880. So it will be 1880 and 2 zeros of the 100 which is in the denominator. So let this be equation number 2. Now here the coefficients of X and Y are interchanged. You see that the coefficient of X and the coefficient of y are interchanged, whenever such situation is there, we first add the equations, then we subtract the equation, and then whatever the two equations we get, we solve that simultaneously to get the values of x and y. So here first we will add equation number 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get, what we will get, 8x plus 9x, that will be 17x, plus 9x plus 9y plus 8y, that is 17y, and that is equal to 3,74,000. 1,86,000 plus 1,88,000, that will be 3,74,000. Now if you see this, you will find that the 17 is the common factor. So divide by 17 throughout the equation. So you will get it as x plus y is equal to, if you divide this by 17, you will get it as 22,000. Now let this be equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. Now we will subtract these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get, so if you subtract this equation 1 and 2, so subtract this equation 1 and 2, you will get it as 8x minus 9x, that will be minus x, plus 8x minus 9y minus 8y, that will be y, which is equal to 1,86,000 minus 1,88,000, that will be equal to 22,000. Not 22,000, that is 2,000. So this is the equation number 4. Now these two equations are very easier to solve because the numbers are very much reduced. And to solve these two equations, equation number 3 and 4, we will just add these two equations so that x and x will get eliminated. So adding equation 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, we get, so here we will add equation 3 and 4, so we will get it as, add this, so x and x will get cancelled, y plus y, that will be equal to 2y, which is equal to 22,000 plus 2,000, that is 24,000, and so y will be equal to 12,000. So y we have got, so highlight this first solution. Now put the value of y in equation number 1, so you will get it as putting in equation 1, so we get here in equation number 1 we will put 12,000, so this will be what, x plus 12,000, which is equal to 22,000, and so that is equal to x, take 12,000 to this side, that will be minus 12,000, and so x will be equal to 10,000. So you have got the value of x, highlight this, and at the end write the answer, that the money invested in scheme A is rupees 10,000 and the money invested in scheme B is rupees 12,000. So friends, such type of questions are asked for 4 marks. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel and to press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.